Puppies, hello. Don't jump. Just stay. Stay in. You're awake. Wake up. Who is this? Who is this? This is Fifi on the left. This one, he's this boy. Oh, Elik. Elik and Fifi. And this boy, who is this? Who are you? Oh, this is Jerlix. Oh, Jerlix. Jerlix. Fifi. Elik. This one is Dash. Cake. Cake. Dash, the blue boy. Ito si... Who's this? Ash. Ash. On the brownish is Billy. Billy. Hello. Jump. Don't jump. Jump. Sino nag-jump kanina? You can jump now. Jump. Si Ace? Yung... di pa pala sila maka-jump by themselves. Nakapatong siguro sa isa kanina yon kaya naka-jump, no? Nandito na sila. Paikutin natin. Paikutin para makita ang mga mukha. Hello. Tukul. Ito. Pogi. Kinsa man si... Ace. Cake lagi. Ayan. Malakas. Mas-stroke pala ito si Ace. Naka-jump, no? Si Ace nakaunag-jump. Talagang kuan. Born. Una mong good panganak si Ace. Si Ash. Naka-jump di si Ash kanina.
Hoy, sige, magsiguro din na, di ba?
Uy, bye-bye. Nandiyan na kayo. Kakaon. The puppies are having their lunch, feeding during lunch time.
Mana sila ikalantaw ng kuan kanang interior o kaning di o area diri sa kuan Malaga.
Yan ang mga sumbinantayan kong makulit. Cozy Jordan. Uy, gising pa si Eli. Yan ang binantayan ko, guys. Yan ang binantayan ko. Oh, yung isa gumising pa. Oy.
At pagkatapos ng feeding nila ngayong gabi, mas-utso ng gabi, ito'y naglaro na. Isa na lang natin Cake remains sucking the milk of the mother, and others are already playing. Okay, laro. Yan, laro ng iba. One, two, three, four, five, six. Exit si Cake. Duduk pa rin si Cake. Oo. Huwag. Natulog naman si Billy. Billy. Laro. Tulog na.
Wala talaga ang tubig.
The feeding of ours. July 10. July 10 is the 23rd day. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. For puppies, and now they are happy. They are starting to play again, and walking, moving, and caressing the puppies, caressing their mommy. And still one is feeding. This is Ilik. Ilik still sucking the milk of the mommy. Ilik. There, the green boy. The others are relaxing. Who are these? Relaxing here. And Cake wanted to sleep already. And so with Dash. Okay, Ash is at the back of his mommy. Okay. Thank you, Amos. Thank you, Mos. Thank you.